If you want to open Lucidchart in Google Docs, you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install the Lucidchart add-on, open it inside Google Docs, and insert your diagrams into your document in just a few minutes. This is super helpful if you want to create flowcharts, org charts, process maps, or any visual diagram without leaving Google Docs. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Google Docs document in your web browser. This needs to be done on the web version of Google Docs, because that's where add-ons and integrations work properly. Once your document is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Extensions. This is where you'll find add-ons and extra tools that can connect to your document. After that, hover over Add-ons and then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can search for tools that work with Google Docs. In the search bar, type Lucidchart. Make sure you spell it correctly so you can find the right app quickly. When you see the Lucidchart listing, click on it to open the app details. Then select Install. Google will ask you to grant permissions so Lucidchart can connect with your Google account and work inside Docs. Go ahead and review the permissions, then approve them if everything looks correct. This step is necessary so the add-on can link your Lucid account and function properly. Now, while the installation is running, be patient and let the process finish. It may take a little while depending on your connection and browser. A very important tip here is not to close the tab or window until everything is completed. If you interrupt the installation, the add-on may not connect correctly and you might have to start over. Once Lucidchart is installed, go back to your Google Docs document. Now you'll need to open the side panel. You should see the Lucidchart option available there. Click on Lucidchart to launch it inside your document. This side panel is where you can browse your existing Lucidchart diagrams and pick the one you want to use. After the panel opens, you can scroll through your diagrams or browse your saved documents. When you find the diagram you want, hover over it and click the plus button to preview it. This helps you make sure you're selecting the correct chart before inserting it into your document. If it looks right, click Insert. Your Lucidchart diagram will then be added directly into your Google Doc. This makes it easy to include professional-looking visuals without having to copy and paste images manually or use separate design tools. And that's it. You've now learned how to open Lucidchart in Google Docs, install the add-on, and insert diagrams into your document. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.